Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. Today we'll be writing exercise. So open your sketchbook, 200 pages sketchbook. So all the question answers you'll be writing in the sketchbook. So write chapter's name, chapter number 2, human body. Okay, so this one you have to write in textbook itself. You can see here on bottom there is fun time. Label the different parts of Red Riding Hood's body. Okay, so first we'll be writing head, second is eyebrow, third ear, eye, nose, chin, neck, thumb, chest, fingers, hand, stomach, then knee, leg, ankle and feet. So you have to write this in your textbook itself. So now on page number 4 there is some questions. Sanya wants to know, write 3 things you do using your arms and legs both. So write the answer. Exercise, swimming, and third is dancing. So this is on the page number 5. Sanya wants to know, what is an organ? Discuss in class, but we'll discuss here. So what is organ? A part of the body that has a particular functions, like for example eyes, nose, skin, ears and tongue are our sense organs. So what is organs? Particular functions like eyes, nose, skin, ears and tongue are our sense organs. So now on the page number 6, name the sense organ that helps you to do the following things. Even this will be writing in textbook. So first is see the beautiful flowers in garden. Eyes. Taste an ice cream. Tongue. Listen to music. Ears. Smell delicious food. Nose. Know if a thing is hot or cold. Skin. So now on the page number 7, you can see Sanya wants to know, match the description to the person. So we are going to match the description to according to the person. First you can see there is a baby crying here. So which description will match it? I cry when I am hungry. I cannot speak. So match this to this baby to this description. Second is, I am tall, young and strong. I go to office. Third is, I like to play with my grandchildren. I like to do things myself. I go to school. So now exercise time, filling the blanks. So now is write exercise time. So I will show you on the board, but the answers you have to write in your textbook itself. Okay, filling the blanks. Our body is made of a number of parts. We use our shoulders and back to carry things. Third is eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are our sense organs. We are born as babies. Now we'll go to B, number B. Number the pictures in correct order. First is seed, second is sapling, third is plant, and fourth is tree. The second question, first is egg, second is chick, and third is hen. Then third question, first is baby, second is girl, third is woman, and fourth is old woman. Now we'll go on page number 9. Complete the follow chart. So write first legs, run, kick, walk, jog, dance, hop. Okay. Next is question D. Cross the odd one out. So we'll be crossing the odd one out. So which one is odd here? The foot. Because the eyes, ears and nose are in your face. लेकिन ये फुट जो है आपके पैर में आता है, राइट? सो दिस वन इज ऑड. देन देखो लेग, नेल्स एंड नी, ये सारे आपके पैर के पाँव के पार्ट है, लेकिन लिप्स है क्या? नहीं. सो ये ऑड है. देन हैंड, फिंगर्स, ये फुल हैंड, ये पाम ऑफ फिंगर्स है और ये ओनली फिंगर्स. सो नोज नहीं है, तो नोज इज ऑड. देन अगेन ये सारी चीज़ें हमारे फेस पे आती है. कौन से आईज, टंग एंड टीथ. बट देन हैंड इज ऑड, सो क्रॉस इट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. राइट 3 थिंग्स वी डू विथ आवर हैंड्स. सो होल्ड, राइट एंड लिफ्ट things. Write 3 things we do with the help of our knees. Bend, squat and kneel. How does our neck help us? Our neck helps us to turn our head from side to side. So this will be your homework activity time. Draw a path from the sense organ to the thing it will help you to sense. Each organ will match with only one thing. Use different colors. So आपको क्या करना है? Different colors use करना है और एक path मतलब रास्ता बनाना है जो भी चीज़ तक वो मैच करेगा. लाइक अपनी हम सी मतलब देखेंगे आँखों से, राइट? तो आपको यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है कलर से, फिर यहाँ से लेके आपको ऐसा पार्ट ड्रॉ करना है, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ से यहाँ से जाके कैसे आप बुक को देख सकते हो, राइट। फिर स्मेल करना है तो आइसक्रीम तक आपको रास्ता बनाना है। तो कैसे आप रास्ता बनाओगे, यहाँ से जाओगे, फिर ये ऐसे then come here again here and then ऐसे करते रास्ता ये नीचे जा रहा है, लेकिन you can smell the rose। ऐसा आपको कोई भी एक ही चीज़ पे आप रास्ता बना सकते हो। लाइक अभी इधर रास्ता बुक बनाने के लिए है और आइसक्रीम के लिए नहीं है, लेकिन रोज़ के लिए है। सो कोई भी एक ही चीज़ आप सेंस ऑर्गन्स को उससे मैच करवा सकते हो। सो दिस विल बी योर होमवर्क। So now we'll do exercise part of chapter number 3, my family. So we'll open page number 13. So there are some questions. So what brings happiness to the family? Mark a tick. हमें टिक करना है कौन सा चीज़ हमारे घर में हैप्पीनेस लाता है। शेयरिंग एंड कैरिंग, मीटिंग रिलेटिव्स, keeping a distance from family members. So sharing and caring. So now on page number 14, exercise time, answer the following questions. So what is first question? What is a family? So we'll be writing this in our sketchbook. Write the first question and write the answer. So finish writing the first question. So right answer for the first question is a group of people related to each other, grandparents, parents, uncles, aunties and children together make a family. All members of family may or may not live in the same house. So write the second question from your textbook. The question is, what is a nuclear family? Only parents and children. Okay, only parents and children. So write the third question, that is, what is a joint family? Right, grandparents, parents, uncles, aunties and children. Write the fourth question, write 2 ways in which you help your family. So this answer you have to write by your own. आप घर पे अपने डैडी मम्मी को किस तरीके से हेल्प करते हो? दुकान पर से सामान ला के देते हो या फिर कुछ फ्रूट्स वगैरह कट करके देते हो? इफ़ यू डू ऑल दिस थिंग्स by helping your parents, so you have to write that answer. if you wash something, मतलब कुछ धो के देते हो, कुछ ला कर देते हो, कुछ, तो वो सारी चीज़ें आपको ये आंसर में लिखना है। कौन से? फोर्थ वाले क्वेश्चन के। सो नाउ कम टू योर टेक्स्ट बुक, ओपन योर टेक्स्ट बुक, क्वेश्चन बी, राइट येस और नो, देन राइट द करेक्ट आंसर wherever needed. One example is done for you. So mother's brother is grandfather. आपके मम्मी का भाई आपका ग्रैंडफादर होता है क्या? नहीं, नो, वो अंकल होते हैं। पेरेंट्स आर कजिन्स। पेरेंट्स आर कजिन्स। पेरेंट्स के पेरेंट्स कजिन्स होते हैं क्या? नो, दे आर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, father's brother is uncle. Yes. फोर्थ, mother's sister is grandmother. हमारे मम्मी की मम्मी हमारी ग्रैंडमदर होती है क्या? सॉरी, हमारी मम्मी की बहन हमारी दादी होती है क्या? नहीं, नो, राइट, नो, शी इज योर आंटी, आंट। अंकल्स चिल्ड्रन आर पेरेंट्स। अंकल के बच्चे आपके पेरेंट्स होते हैं क्या? नो, दे आर कजिन्स। अंकल्स वाइफ इज आंट। यस, अंकल की बीवी, वाइफ जो है आपकी आंटी होती है, राइट। नेक्स्ट इज Who did the right thing? Put a tick or a cross. Did you wish your family good morning today? Zoha, yes I did. Ali, no I forgot. Zoha का right है. Second is, how did you help your grandmother who is ill? Paul, I read the newspaper to her. Tanya, I spent a day playing. Kapil, I gave her medicines and spent time with her. Kapil and Paul is right. Third question, how did you help your mother today? Sandeep, I helped her in cooking and watered the plants. Vivek, I watched cartoons on TV. Shweta, I helped her clean the fridge. So which answer is right? Sandeep and Shweta. Paste or draw picture of your family members in the photo frame. If you are able to draw your family members photo, so you can draw, or you can even stick the photo of your family members. You can stick your family members photo. जितने भी लोग आपके घर पे रहते हैं, आपकी फैमिली है वो लोग, तो उनका फोटोज आपको ये बॉक्स पे स्टिक करना है. ओके, so on bottom there is something activity given here. So this will be your homework. You have to write what you call the following people in your family. आप आपके ग्रैंडमदर को क्या बोलते हो आपको लिखना है. Since I am from Konkan side, so I call my grandmother my. What do I call my grandmother? My. I call my mother mummy. I call my mother's brother mama. जो आप लोग बोलते हो आपको वो लिखना है. मैं अपना बता रही हूँ. I call my father papa. Father's sister I call Atya. Father's brother I call Chittappa. So whatever you call your relatives, your mother, father, आपको वो लिखना है. Okay. Next is, let's revise. Write yes or no. Sia can help football with her ears. So no. I can lick and taste honey with my tongue. Yes. Ronaldo can kick a ball with his foot. Yes. Uncle's children are your siblings. No. A nuclear family has only parents and children. Yes. Filling the blanks. We write with our hands. A seed grows up to be a sapling. Third is, neck helps us to turn our head from side to side. Our parents look after all our needs. We should not be rude to our brothers and sisters. Okay. So next is, circle the odd one out. आपको यहाँ पे जो अलग पिक्चर है, जो ऑड है, उसे क्या करना है? टिक करना है. तो इसमें देखो, आप देख सकते हो ग्रैंड मदर न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रही है, यहाँ पे बच्चे के साथ खेल रही है, बट शी कैन लिफ्ट द वेट्स. क्या वो वजन उठा सकते हैं ग्रैंड मदर्स? नो. सो दिस वन इज ऑल्सो सर्कल दिस पिक्चर. First is daddy is crawling on the floor. Second is riding the bike, and then he is lifting the weight. So crawling on floor is the odd man out, so circle this picture. So baby is crawling, second baby is sleeping, and then baby is reading the newspaper. So which one is odd? Baby cannot read newspaper, right? So this one is odd.